If we don't catch clams, we cannot have a dinner, huh?
Wow.
We are Lucy and Mark, and this is our van Tubi. After traveling for 4 years in over 30 countries, we came to Morocco for a complete van makeover. Last time you saw us, we were enjoying the beautiful art and food in the previously famous but now abandoned Van Valley of Tafraout. The temperature started rising, so we made a 158-kilometer dash for the coast and cooler weather.
We made to coast. It is south part of the Agadir. We call it City Arbat. So we found a campsite that we can stay. We gotta take a shower and also wash our clothes. So we are gonna camp in here for a few days, and I really like the spot, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Good morning, Lucy.
Good morning. Sorry, I was quite busy to putting the sun cream. I think we haven't put the sun cream for a long time. Today, we're gonna go to the beach and get some little clams.
We hope.
Yeah, we hope. So, hopefully, we can get clams and we can make delicious food for our dinner.
In about 20 minutes, there'll be low tide.
Yeah. But before that, I gotta put tons of sun cream.
Oh, thank you.
그럴 수도 있지. Guys, we are heading to beach. If we don't catch clams, we cannot have a dinner, huh?
No dinner, no clams, no dinner.
So what we are gonna make if we catch it?
Kalguksu. I got one. Oh, two more.
Yeah.
Okay, shut up.
There's one, huge one. Oh, there's another one. They're everywhere. Wow. Good job. No clam gets away from Lucy.
Yeah. You want to show? There we go.
완전 바다에 몸을 담갔어. Small ones, 작은 중에는 we're gonna leave them here. Clean. 간다. 들어간다.
There you go.
간다.
One gun. Bye-bye. How much today?
It was a good day. Look at that.
That?
아 진짜 근데 조금 더 잡았으면 좋겠다라는 그건 있는데 너무 욕심 안 부리려고 이 정도면 그냥 해물 칼국수 해먹기엔 좋은 것 같다. Yeah, I like it. We are back to TV and we want to clean our clams, which we just cut it. We cut it. You can see our clams, and I think it's enough for us to make the kalguksu. And we use the salt water so that clams will spit the sand inside. Probably we are gonna leave that one for 6 hours so that it would be enough time. But I heard that some people do the whole day, but we don't have a time to do it. And the other thing is we gotta do laundry. Look at that. I cannot fit my dirty clothes in my laundry bag. So Mark is setting up over there. Yeah. Hanging lines. 엄청 기네.
Yeah.
You have a lot of laundry to do.
I forgot to mention like our camping spot is really good. It's really unique. I got out of the gate. You can see here like a wall around it. You just drive in. And one nice thing about along the wall you can see the kind of window, and it's perfect for us because when we set up the chairs we have our private window and you can see the sea. Alright, so Mark is setting up the laundry station. I gotta prepare some lunch. We woke up pretty early for our standard. So we're gonna make a lunch today. Alright, let's do it.
파란 하늘에 핑크빛 구름 네 손엔 나에게 준 chocolate I'm feeling so good 눈에 보이는 모든 게 예뻐 You already made my day 다가와서 꽉 안아줄 때 충전되는 이 느낌 너와 함께라면 어디든 좋아
Guys, our clothes are dry and we're gonna go to the little street to find the ingredient for kalguksu today. Alright, let's go. Guys, we found the store, but really tiny one. You can, I think, buy it through the window. So no luck for the vegetable, I guess. Assalamualaikum. Okay, shukran. Bislama.
Chinois.
No, Korea.
Hello, Korea.
Yeah, suit. Hi, Bislama. He has a little vegetable. We need the garlic later.
Yeah, that's the only store.
Uh-huh.
out.
Yeah. But at least they have a store. Better than nothing. You know?
Some Ajuman's gonna look at this and think like, oh my god, what the hell is he doing?
I cut his waist, but look at this.
Keep it up.
Hey, it is hot in here. It's in Morocco. You're okay to wear underwear.
Do you want to feel this? Does that feel right?
이래야 되는 거야,
I
이거.
think so.
Actually, that dough will be a noodle. I say kalguksu. It means it's just doughs will cut with knife, so we call the kalguksu. But we are not gonna do that. We're gonna cheat. What is a cheating one? Pasta maker. Button touch.
So, Lucy, this is what you normally wear, right?
Oh, 내 파자마. Yeah, it's my home. I have a right to be comfortable. Excuse me. 포테토 진짜 오래됐지 않나?
Fine.
어?
What?
We don't have a zucchini. I thought this is a zucchini.
We do. It's in
Okay.
the bag, yeah.
아, 여기 있네. When we buy a vegetable in souk, it's really good.
Forever, right?
Yeah, forever.
Look at that.
야, 괜찮네. 오, nice. 어? 따라라라.
It's alright, 2-second rule.
2세컨 넘었는데. 따라라라.
It's alright, 2-second rule.
2세컨 넘었는데.
Barely 2 seconds.
My heartbeat is going crazy. 아, 야.
Oh.
어떻게 하는데? 이거지.
Put it in there, and then just lay it down over the pasta maker.
Good.
Let's see.
La, la, la.
Woohoo! Nice.
차차.
So the ingredients are potatoes,
호박, 애호박, zucchini,
zucchini,
onion,
onion,
and garlic. Tons of garlic. Because I love garlic.
and then we're gonna put green onion at the end, right?
무엇인가요?
I've got the stars of the show. Let's see.
this system. Love this Berkey water. Yeah, Berkey water. It's not sponsored. Just love it. Love. Yeah, water filter systems in our car.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's opening.
Are you opening already?
여기 위에 하나. Oh, you can see. Pop,
Oh
pop,
yeah.
pop, pop,
Oh wow. It's like popcorn.
pop.
Oh yeah, I can see it popping open.
Oh, here. 완전 신나지.
Show me your happy dance again.
That's your dance I love from you. Oh, what's that?
Oh, that's good.
Yes, really 68.
I can see the steam going out.
Should I open the door?
That's fine. That's fine. I think it's done.
Yeah. 1 minute left.
I'll just turn it off.
아, 맛있겠어요. Chill, Lucy, chill. Oh, yeah. 오.
Wow.
술이 들어간다. 쭉쭉쭉쭉.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh,
Try some of these noodles.
야. 야, 진짜 완전 사랑할 수밖에 없네, 모로코. 모로코 사랑할 수밖에 없다. 야, 파스타 면으로 해서 잘했다.
The clams are a little bit crunchy. I'm not gonna lie. We probably won't eat too many of them. But the flavor's already in the soup, and the soup is.
Amazing.
Have we thanked our members and Patreon? We haven't done that for a long time, so
We
thank you so
appreciate.
much. Yeah, and I guess we'll roll the names over my face, maybe. They're going over my face right now. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, press like, and I think that's it.
See you tomorrow. We are gonna move from here to Agadil
Yeah,
tomorrow.
maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
We're not exactly sure, but we're gonna move. Yeah.
Okay. 그럼 다음 시간에 봐요.
Yeah. See you guys next time.
안녕.